In this video, we're going to be talking about your goals. For you to write a successful ebook, you need to have the right vision for it. So what is the story? Are you going to write something about something that happened to you and that you want to share with others because you're really successful, or you don't want other people to make the same mistake? What kind of message is that? Is that just a story, or is something that maybe you want to create a training about something that you do very well? If you have a hobby and you're very successful at it, for example, cooking, or maybe dieting, or maybe something that you want to share with others. What is the message? What is the story that you're planning to do? Or maybe you don't know enough, but you want to do some research and learn about it. And by your learning, you are accumulating all this information and you have everything that you need to create an ebook. Now, the audience is really important because there is basically two ways to do this. If you want to do something simple, well, you can actually put something together in maybe 72 hours or maybe a week, and you can make it simpler, and that way you can have a 20, 50 page type of ebook, and the audience will be just regular people. Or maybe you want to have something more professional, and the professional will take a little bit more work, but depending on the audience and depending on who is going to be reading your book is the type of ebook you're going to be working on. Now, one of the things that you have to keep in mind, and this is really, really important, is to set dates and goals. Okay? You have this training already. You have all the videos. You know what you need to do. So this training is not going anywhere. You can always come back and review the videos anytime you want. But it's important to keep in mind that if you really want to finish the ebook, you need to set dates and goals and put it in your calendar. So all the tasks that you're going to go over are already included in this training. So what you need to do now is take your calendar and just make a list of dates and goals and when are you going to be doing what. Now, keep in mind that if it's not in your calendar, it's not real. If we don't set aside one day or a time to do it, then we will probably not accomplish it. So what are you going to be doing every month and every week? Well, that's up to you. But my recommendation is try to finish in about a week or maybe 2 weeks maximum. So that way you can do the most and you actually accomplish and finish your ebook. Now, another thing to keep in mind is your business plan. What is this ebook fits? I mean, what are your long-term plans? Are you going to plan to make money online and ebooks are part of it? Or how this project will fit with the equation. This is really important because if you're planning to make money online, this is one of the many ways that you can create it. But it's important that you stick on these, and then later on, because you already are part of this training, I will be sending you different trainings so you can do other things online and you can make money online. Okay? So now what we need to review is your goals more specifically. What is your short-term income? Do you want to make $1,000 a month, like I mentioned in my name of this training? Do you want to have long-term residual income? Do you want to establish yourself as an expert? Do you want just to gain more leads because you have an email marketing in your website? Do you want just to increase credibility? Or maybe just a book at least. Maybe that's something that you wanted to do and you for a long time and you want to do it. Maybe you want to inspire people, or maybe you just wanted to write a book about your passion. So whatever your goals are, it's really important to keep that in mind whenever you're working on it. Remember, once you create your ebook and it's out there, it's going to start making money and it's going to continue making money as long as in Amazon Kindle posted. So it's important to keep those things in mind. Okay?